Today, we are going to learn about plant cells. We've already learned a little bit about plant cells, but let's learn a little bit more. What is this? Do you know? It is a representation of the cell wall. Plant cells have rigid cell walls outside of their plasma membrane. Do you know what this is? This is a chloroplast. A chloroplast is instrumental in helping the plant cell with the process of photosynthesis. Do you know what this is? This is what we call a vacuole, a large vacuole to be precise. It is where the plant cell holds the majority of its water. A cell wall is a rigid outermost structure that gives support to a cell. Plants and algae have cell walls made of cellulose and other materials. Cellulose is a complex sugar that most animals can't digest. Its function? Well, it's only in plant cells. It's there to surround and protect the cell, and it makes the cell stiff and strong. We can nickname it the supporter or the protector of the cell. Chloroplasts. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll that is meant to make food for the plant. Animal cells cannot make their own food. Plants and algae are different. They have chloroplasts in some of their cells. Chlorophyll traps the energy of sunlight, which is used to make sugar, also known as ATP, also known as energy. Chloroplasts are organelles in a plant and algae cell in which photosynthesis takes place. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants and algae use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to make sugar and oxygen. They're only found in plant cells. They contain chlorophyll, and they capture the energy of sunlight and use it to make food for the cell. We can nickname chloroplast the food producer of the plant cell. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants and algae use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to make sugar and oxygen. Basically, photosynthesis makes glucose. It makes energy for the cell. Look to the diagram to the right of your screen. This diagram shows us how photosynthesis works. It also mentions cellular respiration. Let's take a look at cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is the process of turning food molecules like glucose to carbon dioxide and water. So while photosynthesis makes glucose, cellular respiration breaks it down. The energy released is trapped in the form of ATP in cellular respiration for the use by all the energy-consuming activities of the cell. So the cellular respiration breaks the glucose, while photosynthesis makes the glucose. This is the key for you remembering the difference between photosynthesis and cellular respiration.